For today's video, kukontinue lang natin yung integral laws in indefinite integral. So, transcendental functions na tayo. So, but this time, ang didiscuss ko muna is exponential and logarithmic function. Kung kung meron tayong extra time, pwede na using yung trigonometric functions. Ngayon, we have the following laws. Ito familiar na kayo dito. Ano ang derivative nito based on the derivative law? Retain this times the derivative of x, such as ito ngayon, nakikita nyo. Ngayon, in this law, the integral of e quantity x dx is equal to e quantity x plus c. Don't forget to put plus c. Next, how about this? Ito, wala kayo nakita sa derivative law, pero sa integral meron. Ang integral ni a quantity x dx, where a is real number, is equal to a quantity x all over ln a. Ln means the natural logarithm, diba? Which the base is a natural number. Plus c. Next one, it also expressed as this. Paano multiply nito? Ganun lang. Pero, I guess familiar kayo dito dahil may laws such as yung logarithmic function. Ito. Ang derivative nito, ito. Next. Ngayon, proceed na tayo sa ating examples. Now, solve problem number 11, where ito ang expression niya, where your a is 2, kasi ang a stands as the real number. Here. Then, ito lang. Yung a nyo nga ay 2. Do not forget to put plus c. Next, how about this? Yan. Here. Ito, separate nyo lang. Ito na yung constant nyo. At ano ang gagawin sa constant? Ihiwalay nyo. Ilabas. Ngayon, hanapin nyo yung antiderivative nito. Ito na yon. Plus c. Do not forget. Then, multiply nyo to. Ayan, para mas simplified. Pero, eto nga, sabi nga natin, pwedeng ganito ang sagot nyo, pwedeng ito. Pero alisin nyo na yung parenthesis. Next one, how about this? Ngayon, ihiwalay nyo yung 6. Then, ilabas nyo. Then, simplify. Ayan, antiderivative niya. Sabi nga natin, ito pwede siya. Yung 1 over x dx. Ito lang din yun. Next. Ayan. Then, multiply nyo siya. Ito na yun. Next. How about this? Yung dy nyo, ito Ihiwalay nyo. Ito yung constant niya. Then, ilabas nyo. Then, find is antiderivative ln y. Y ang variable Plus c. Multiply nyo. Ito na ang result. Next. Ayan. May extra pa tayo. Ngayon, we are going to proceed in integration laws of trigonometric function. Wala pa tayong substitution rule, ha? Ano pa lang tayo? Basic pa lang. So, we have ito. What is the derivative of cosine x? Negative sine x. Ngayon, integral of sine x dx is equal to negative cosine x. Next, derivative ni sine x, di ba cosine x dx? Now, integral naman ni cosine x dx sine x. Kabaliktaran lang, di ba? Basta do not forget to put plus c if you're going to solve for the indefinite integration. Di ba? Kasi c for indefinite integration. Next, secant squared x dx. Its antiderivative is tangent x plus c. Kasalo din niya ng differentiation. Next one, cosine squared x dx is equal to negative cotangent x plus c. Ang derivative po ni cotangent x is negative cosecant x squared. Cosecant squared x rather. Next, tangent x. Ito, wala, for sure, wala to sa derivative law. Okay. Ngayon lang pumasok. We have negative ln with the absolute value of cosine x plus c. Next, cotangent x, ln absolute value of sine x plus c. Next, secant x tangent x dx is equal, na integral is equal to secant x plus c. Next, integral of cosine x cotangent x dx equals negative cosecant plus c. Next, ayan, we have 10 laws. Doon sa derivative or differentiation of trigonometric function, it has only 6 laws. Ngayon, marami. Ilan ang nadagdag? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Extra trivia. For solving integral of trigonometric functions, you need to recap a lesson trigonometric identities in your pre-calculus discussion. I know I already discussed this, so ayan, para ma-familiarize kayo, ito ang trigonometric function identities na magagamit nyo sa mga susunod na problems. Alright? So first, now, we have secant integral of secant x plus tangent x all quantity squared dx. Ngayon, manipulate the given algebraically. Ngayon, if you still remember how to square a binomial, ganun lang din i-apply natin. What is the square of secant x? Secant squared x. Square of tangent x, tangent squared x. Then, what can we do next for the middle? Twice the product of the first and the second term. Square the first term, square the second term, twice the product of the first and the second term. Ito na yon. Now, secant squared, then 2, hiwalay nyo yung 2, then ito. Ito ay wala kayong nakita sa law, kung di ako nagkakamali. Walang tangent squared x. What can we do next? Now, saan nyo nakuha to? You still remember the Pythagorean identities? The tangent squared x. The secant squared x is equal to tangent squared x plus 1. Diba? Nandun siya. Yun ang ginamit ko. Ngayon, separate yun na i-distribute itong dx. Then, ngayon, meron tayong ganito sa laws. Saka meron din tayong dx na law. Now, antiderivative of secant squared x dx integral is tangent x. 2 times integral of secant x tangent x dx is 2 secant plus secant the integral of secant squared x dx is tangent x minus the integral of dx is negative x plus c. Ngayon, hindi pa siya simplified. Ngayon, mapansin nyo, same silang may tangent x. Add nyo yan. Now, next we have 2 tangent x plus 2 secant x minus x plus c. This is the final answer of this given. Medyo challenging siya, kaya kailangan kabisado nyo rin ang trigonometry. Not totally na kabisado, pero kailangan kahit pa paano may alam kayo para tamang tansyahan na lang. Yun na nga. Right, sa mga makakabasa ng PowerPoint sa Google Classroom, ayan, may indication tayo. Red font means the expression uses trigonometric identity and its result. By the way, I already posted this in my Google Classroom. You may browse this in my website that its link is attached on the description. Okay? Next one. Solve problem number 16. We have integral of sine x minus cosine x all over sine squared x dx. Ngayon, wala kayong nakitang sine squared x sa given. Ayan, wala kayong nakita, diba? Pero anong gagawin natin dyan? Wala, tungangan lang. Hindi, joke lang. Ngayon, paano ang una kong ginawa? Since this represents the similar fractions, hindi ba? Hindi ba? Ngayon, sineparate ko siya. And at the same time, you are going to distribute the dx itself. Ngayon, meron kayong isi-simplify dyan. Ngayon, alisin nyo na to. Since sine squared, ayan. Ano natira? Yung mamaya natin alalahanin. Here. Ito. Lahat na naka-red font, magagamitan nyo yan ng trigonometric identities. Ito, pinaghiwalay natin. Diba? Simplify just cosine x dx, then cosine, cotangent siya, times cosecant x dx. Next. So, what is the derivative of cosine x dx? Antiderivative, brother. We have the negative ln with absolute value of cosine x minus cotangent x minus negative cosecant x plus c. This is the integral of cotangent x cosecant x is negative cosecant x. Then, meron pa masisimplify dyan. Ano napansin nyo? Ito, i-distribute itong subtraction sign sa negative. At its opposite, of course. Ito na yung final answer nyo. Next one. So, like what I've always said. Next, we are going to proceed in substitution rule in an indefinite integral function. So, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.